Hi friends, today we can see how to preserve tomatoes for a long time without any chemical preservatives. We always have a stock of tomatoes but we can't use it in short time. Some get spoiled because these tomatoes are perishable fruits. So they have the tendency to spoil once they have reached their utmost ripeness and lose their flavor. All of us maybe sometimes face this challenge to preserve tomatoes. So in this video I am sharing with you the easiest and best method to preserve tomatoes for a long time without any chemical preservatives. So friends, let's start the process. Tomato is one of the most important ingredient in our everyday cooking life. So making tomato paste is one of the ways to use and conserve excess tomatoes. For homemade tomato paste, we need only ripe tomatoes. First of all, wash these tomatoes and drain it very well. Now I am going to boil these tomatoes. There is one thing you should keep in mind, use only bright red firm tomatoes for making tomato paste. This tomato paste is very concentrated, so you can easily reduce a lot of tomatoes into a small space. And homemade tomato paste is an entirely different and utterly more delicious beast than the kind you can buy at the supermarket. It is free of preservatives and artificial colors. Now I am going to cover this pot and let them boil for a couple of minutes. Once the tomato skins are split, then your tomatoes are done. After that, just let it cool for a few minutes. So once the tomatoes have cooled down, peel the skin and remove the core part of the tomatoes. And then transfer them into a mixer jar and blend them to a smooth puree without using any water. If you want seedless tomato paste, strain away the seeds. Here I am using seeds also. Friends, we made this paste in our own kitchen, so it is free of contamination. Next, we are going to cook these tomatoes. For that, take a pot and add 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil into the pot and transfer the tomato puree and cover with a lid for quick boil. For the best flavor, you can use extra virgin olive oil. Otherwise, you can substitute with any flavorless vegetable oil. After boiling, you can remove the cover and stir occasionally. You can use cover as it may splatter. Maintain low heat, check the consistency. As the water evaporates away, the paste will continue to thicken. And slow cooking also gives the paste a hearty, rich flavor, unlike the store-bought ready-made one. After around 40 minutes, you can see the volume of tomato is reduced. In this stage, you can add 1 teaspoon of salt. All of you know salt is a natural preservative. In this stage, you can also add herbs and spices. Now you can see the oil starts oozing out. At this stage, switch off heat and keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. Then let it cool. Once it cooled down, transfer this paste into an ice tray. The advantage of using ice cube tray is that the frozen tomato paste cube fit together perfectly in Ziploc bags without wasting any space. If you don't have an ice tray, you can use any plate or tray. Spread the paste on your plate and flatten it. Put mark on it like horizontal and vertical lines on it. So after freezing, we will get the pieces of tomatoes. After filling all the paste into an ice tray, cover with cling wrap or silver foil. This will prevent frost forming on the tomato paste. After that, keep this tray into freezer. These are the frozen tomato paste which we had put it in freezer. This has been in the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours. Now we will demold this and can be put it in Ziploc bag and leave this in freezer for few months. And you will be assured fresh tomato paste all 12 months of year. When tomatoes get cheap, you can make them and store in freezer. This method will help you to save time and money. So why don't you use this way for storing fresh tomatoes forever? These are very easy to take out. Whenever you need, you can take from freezer and keep it in outside for little time. After that, you can use for cooking. The benefit of this type of storing is whether you have to make soup, stews, sauce, or any other dish where the tomato flavor is desired, tomato is always at your hand and not compromising their flavors also. So, by using these methods of preservation or storage, be rest assured that you will continue to use without any chemical preservatives and eat fresh tomatoes throughout the year without any worry. So, friends, make your own tomato paste at your home because it is so simple, easy, and healthy. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this method, please like and share with your friends. See you soon in another video. Thank you.